Welcome to our healthy eating challenge. So we are going to be making crepes today. You like crepes, Leo?
For sure.
Yum! Show us all the ingredients.
A mixing bowl, a whisk, milk, eggs, milk, flour,
You know what that is?
powder,
Cinnamon,
cinnamon,
brown sugar,
sugar,
and what's in here?
A bowl with a spoon, glass bowl with a spoon.
And some melted butter. So the ingredients you need are 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So Team V, making crepes is a healthy way to have a delicious meal or snack, and you don't need many ingredients. So making your own food is always a good idea. Leo, are you ready to mix it up?
Yes. Let's beat these grapes up until they are crepes.
Yeah! We are going to start with our 2 eggs. Pour them in the bowl. Good. Now, step 2, add the milk.
Oh no, I touched my hand.
That's fine. It's just...
Those are all white.
Now, pour in the 1 cup of flour
No.
and start mixing it. And now at the same time, we're going to pour in the melted butter.
Melted butter.
That is it for our mixture. All we're gonna do now is take a small scoop of cinnamon,
Here.
the other one, a little bit. Perfect, put it in the bowl. Put it in the bowl. And a big scoop of sugar. And maybe one more scoop of sugar. One more scoop of sugar.
I love sugar. I love sugar.
Mix it together. Now, Team V, all there is to it is to cook it. So it's a very simple recipe. Keep the cinnamon and brown sugar separate. We're gonna sprinkle those on as we cook.
Up, down, wiggle, wiggle, pop. Love ya. Bye.